hotter. Hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Hotter. It's my people, big up on yourself, man. Bless up on yourself. I don't know the thing going on. NEWLINK there and the people from NEWLINK production. And we say attack. Yeah. So now, boy, I don't even know how to start this thing. To be honest, people, I don't even know how to start this thing. But first of all I can say is Jamaica now has a new case of death again, right? It seems like every day somebody are dead from COVID, right? Which is a female, you know what I mean? Who them say is 28 years old from down in Montego Bay. Yeah, 28. The last death coming towards this female was a 47-year-old male, right? 47 is not an old age. 28 is a very young somebody. And they have seen where it's like young people in Jamaica getting the message that this thing that they create, you know, can't do young people nothing. But you know what me I say? It's not said this thing what them create are going to do young people nothing, you know. The problem about this thing is that young people may be suffering from some form of sickness which they don't even know about. And when they do contract this thing now, that's how it comes up and act up in their body more. And even if it definitely take you out, zine, and then comes a boom and they find symptoms in your system, they're gonna say it's it. They're gonna rule the death as it. Know what I mean? In the end again, new cases in Jamaica since the last 24 hours, over 200, right? Record pop again. Now they say over the Horizon Remand Center, 5 new cases, right? Of the same thing, the COVID. It is really serious, people, no joke. You understand? Wish I'm not stupid, I'm not fool to this thing. They get me, I say? I'm not stupid, I'm not fool. Before, you know, everything did so havoc in a Jamaica, you know. Remember Jamaica did have like 100 odd cases and 200 odd, and then them boil it down where we only have like maybe 70 odd active cases, right? Since the border open up and think people, boom, everything flood up, but we can't blame the border like that. You know what I mean? I'm not blaming the border. Look at it. In Jamaica we were having cases, right? No joke about it, we were. But we never have them, so since this man got put in this election thing, so September the 3rd and people start campaign, just look after that big campaigning where go on people and see how much cases Jamaica have. And you are going to tell me, say, yo, this not nothing to do with it? You're going to tell me that? When they check the statistics, people are come to boom and check imported cases, right? Only a few. 90% of the new cases of them have people, they can't find a trace for them because if you're in a group with people, see, and you come to boom and they do get infected, oh you got trace that when they now one big group with much people. So this is what caused it. This is what caused it. And you can't tell me say election could have waited. Of course it could have waited. Election could have waited. Just like how they can put school pan wait. It could have waited. So anybody who are gonna tell me say this is the right, this is the time, and they could have gone longer. You know nothing, man? Don't know nothing. Of course it could have waited for even 2 more months. Then could have waited for 2 more months, people, and try to find and say whatever, you know what I mean, new methods are come, whatever resources are gonna come, or anything that can come and shut this down, this thing before now. See? And all of the pressure upon the poor local Jamaican people them. Because what? I'm so sorry for them. Honestly. I'm not cuss them, you know. Yeah man, I'm so sorry for them. You know why? Because they get tricked so easily. Yeah. Some people are saying they ain't no good or this and that. But what? They get tricked so easily. We don't have to think more smart, man. Value on the life. You get me? And I'm telling you the truth. I would say, you know, I'm telling you I'm not vote. I'm not responsible to the body. If you want to vote, go vote. I'm not voting, right? But if you are going to do a vote, you know, wait till election, you go vote and social distance yourself, but you're going to campaign and sitting there, like say, COVID afraid to catch nobody. You think you're afraid of nobody, man? This is the partial nobody. Only need to get that in our brain. Nobody. But all me can say, people, Jamaica is my country and all of my family then they are Jamaica. And I just pray to God, say, boy, this thing can, a solution can come to get this thing cramped on people. I'm just hoping and praying. Because this is getting outrageous on a daily basis. I can't believe this is how Jamaica losing it now. Since this election coming, people were having a pandemic, right? Why is Jamaica should be under a full curfew and this and that while I still have election going and then something there? Nobody can tell me so when whoever party win one heap of parade and sit now go on. Nobody can tell me that. See? You think smart, man. Think smart. Me now do this for no friend thing. You know what I mean? Some people are run down certain things because of friend thing and hype thing and this and that. No. Think about your life and your future. And your family them. You know what I mean? It's not a good look still. Young girl gone, 28-year-old. Them say at the big C. Boy, it's sad. But you don't know the thing of yours and subscribers in the end. What we have to do? Hope, prayer, social distance, wear the mask, protect yourself. Because it's out there, I'm telling you, it's there now. No feel saying it there. They don't create what them are create people and them don't know. Some of them up there say, you think it a go hold them? No, sir. Hold what? Because them know what them to do already, people. They already know what to do. You get me? But for we, look up poor one who are run down this and run down that. I'm sorry for we. You are going to tell me this now. Honestly, you know, if me did at Jamaica, I now work out now go on for me, you know. You see it? You know why I made that vote? Give me some money where can last me with food supply for the next 5 years. See? So I now have to go out there and this and that and I look money. And then I will vote. You see, if you can't give me that, I now go vote. I truth. Because right now, as I tell you, there's a pandemic going on and you can't give me an answer when this thing I go fix. Because nobody knows. Not affecting Jamaica alone, but affecting the world. Right? And I think my vote now counts so important. See? Because if I'm voting for the benefit of my future. And as me tell my family, future and life. See? And that's how I count my vote. Very, very important. You can't come trip me with 10 pound of flour and 10 pound of rice. And give me 5 grand and cup of tin and mackerel. I want buckle of rum and things so that can win my vote. Which someone don't even not get so much. See? I want 15 bills. You must be mad. And so me downgraded myself and low graded myself. For what? Me not respond to nobody, man. You know what I mean? But my life important. And I just say the people, not joke thing. So why? It's rough. It's tough. Everywhere in rough and tough, you know, not just about Jamaica, my country, man. I love everywhere in people, but think about my woman, all of my family then. I don't have to think about what really I go on, man. Eh? Not joke thing. But just big up on yourself, people. And just enough love, you know. And respect, and just stay blessed, people. And stay positive as usual. I don't know. Peace out. And respect. And be good. And be great. Attack them NEWLINK.